Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty crochet ideas for you guys. These are very pretty and very amazing and very stunning crochet ideas for you guys. These are super amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. Hope so guys, you all are doing well. These are very trending and very amazing crochet ideas for you guys. These are super stunning and very classy and very unique ideas for you guys. You also watch different other craft videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Follow for more details. Keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. I'm glad to see you all guys. Stay tuned till the next video. These are very amazing and very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. And these are super stunning and very classy ideas for you guys. Hope so you enjoyed this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very trending, very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Take care, bye bye, love is guys.